Alexandra Daddario is a beautiful actress from the United States of America. She has recently been rrіζіng more to prominence, but her old popular roles were in the Percy Jackson movie. Early life. Lovely actress Alexandra Anna Dadario was born on March 16, 1986 in New York, United States. Her father Rrіshhard C. Dadario was the leader and head of the New York City Police Department when Mісhael Vlооmbеrg was the mayor, and her mother Shrіઝtіna Dadarіo is a lawyer. Alexandra Daddario's grandfather Emilio Q. Daddario was one of the Democratic members of the United States House of Representatives. Alexandra Daddario was a grown and riser in her hometown. She has one younger brother and one younger sister, actor Method Daddario and Catherine Daddario. She spent most of her lifetime in Manhattan, where she attended a private school. They are named Brearley School. Alexandra Daddario decided to become an actress when she was around 11 years old, and she enrolled in the professional children's school, followed by Marymount Manhattan College. Personal life. For her personal life, dating, engagement and marriage, Alexandra Daddario has never been married. She has been engaged once to the actor Logan Lerman for around a year. Prior to her engagement, Alexandra Daddario has dated the actor and screenwriter Jason Fuchs and the singer-songwriter and actor Terry Songs. Her latest relationship and dating rumors and news say that she has been linked to actor and singer Zac Efron. Age, height and weight. Being born on 16 March 1986, Alexandra Daddario is 35 years old as of today's date, 28th December 2021. Her height is 1.73 meter tall and her weight is 61 kg. Career. Alexandra Daddario has learned an acting approach named Missner technique for years. Her debut acting work was in All My Children, soap opera when it is used to air on ABC as. She has credited roles in 43 episodes of the series. Alexandra Daddario made several acting roles before her first and most important one in Percy Jackson and the Olympians. The Lightning Thief movie, which she also appeared in, it is the second installment, Percy Jackson, Say of Monsters. Awards and achievement. Alexandra Daddario has been receiving several award nominations and she is expected to win a far soon. She was nominated for a total of 4 awards, including the Teen Choice Award for Choice Breakout Female for Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief MTV Movie Award for Best Sacred as a Shit Performance for Texas Chainsaw 3D, and a couple of Teen Choice Awards for San Andreas and Baywatch in the categories of Choice Movie Actress in Action Adventure and Choice Movie Actress in Comedy. Net worth and salary. As of December 2021, the beautiful talented actress Alexandra Daddario's net worth is set to $10 million. She made all of her millions from her the acting performance she does. Alexandra Daddario has starred in May high-grossing movies such as San Andreas, which grossed over $470 million at the worldwide box office. Alexandra Daddario is one of the today's most beautiful and talented actors. She does not have many credited acting roles, but her talented performance has always been noticed. Alexandra Daddario's net worth is expected to increase more by time as she has many upcoming movies.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.